Today, we're going to compare my old Toro personal pace mower with the new battery-powered Kobalt 40-volt max mower. I've used a gas mower for decades. While you can still buy gas mowers, there are more and more battery-powered mowers on the market. But you might be wondering, how good are the battery mowers anyway? Do they work well? Does the battery last? If you're in the market for a new mower, which should you get? A gas-powered mower or an electric one? This video should provide some thoughts as you consider making your decision.
Alright, so through our county air quality improvement, got a great deal on turning in an old gas mower, an old gas trimmer, replaced it with this Kobalt electric set. We'll see how they perform differently. We're exchanging the old gas mower. Alright, well, here's this new electric lawnmower. We're about to try it out. I really like this feature, how it folds up vertical, nice and easy to store. A couple locking mechanisms, flips up, and there it is. This Toro lawnmower is a 6.5 horsepower. It's called a personal pace, so it's self-propelled, and it has a 22-inch blade. This is a 40-volt Kobalt electric mower. It's a 20-inch. Also, be sure to check out the other video in this series showing this old gas trimmer with this electric trimmer. Alright, to start this gas-powered mower, first we prime it, and then we give it a pull.
And it's really loud.
Alright, let's try starting this thing up. Push the button, pull it back, hold for 3 seconds. It's definitely quieter than a gas lawnmower.
Thumbs up for starting a mower with the push of a button. I found that this mower cuts the grass well, better than my gas-powered mower. But I don't think it's a fair comparison because the battery-powered mower uses a new blade, while I have not replaced the blade on the Toro in years. So, a better way to discuss, the battery-powered mower did well, even in long grass. I can hear the engine power up as it cuts through thick, long grass. I really love how easy it is to adjust the mowing height. My old Toro required adjusting the height at each wheel, which meant that invariably I'd get one of them wrong. But this mower has a trick.
So one of the things I was impressed with was the ease with which you can adjust the height. The single easy lever does the whole mower all at once. As you use the lever, this arm transfers it up to the front wheels, just like that. These batteries are interesting in that it's easy to know when it's down and when it's connected or when it's out. Pull the clip and springs kind of pop it out. And it's also nice that it doesn't go in that way. You can only slide it in the correct way. Push it down, tab back here, snaps in place.
A few final thoughts. I love that the Kobalt battery-powered mower is lighter weight. It means my kids can mow the lawn, and with it starting at the press of a button, I don't have to pull the cord to start the engine for them. Given the choice of the Toro gas mower or this Kobalt electric mower, I'd choose the electric one because it's quiet and so lightweight. But I would also ensure I have 2 batteries for it. There's nothing worse than running out of the battery right before you finish the lawn. A single battery can mow a good-sized yard, nearly 1/3 of an acre in my experience. But you want that second battery ready when the first one runs out. So, I hope you found this helpful. Please check out my other video about the electric trimmer, and have a great day.